What's up, y'all? Truckerslife, and we live from the hotel, y'all. I got the hotel again with.
Truckersdaughter.
And what are you doing?
Mashing up the potatoes.
She's helping Daddy with dinner tonight, y'all. We making mashed potatoes with my seafood blend, stuffing them inside of these crabs, and then we're gonna put them on the grill. Just keep going, baby.
It's gonna be so delicious.
Yes, it is. Cause hey, y'all, what y'all think about this though? I got the seafood going right there. That's got lobster, crab, shrimp, and scallops again. You guys have seen me make this in my truck, but now you're seeing my baby help me make it. And we will be back when we stuff these mother lovers. All right, y'all, we out. What's up, y'all? We back, and we about to stuff these crabs. And Trucker's daughter going to hold the phone. There she is, my baby. Show that shirt. Turn around. Yeah, that's Trucker's daughter, y'all. Because she got a bad attitude. Here we go.
Okay.
Let me... Yeah, y'all, this is what the seafood looks like.
So good.
How does that smell?
Very good. Yeah, that smells good.
It's got lobster, shrimp, crab, and of course scallops.
That good.
And now I know we're in a hotel. This is how we cook in our hotel, y'all.
I just want to have some mashed potatoes right now.
How good was it?
Good.
You like the mashed potatoes, baby?
Yeah. Wait,
I know.
what would you expect?
Alrighty.
Are you gonna mix that in there?
Huh?
Are you gonna mix that in there?
No. I'm putting it on top.
What? On top of the good mashed potatoes?
See?
You messed out the mashed potato.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Stop. We don't talk like that on the channel, baby.
I'm joking.
It's because she's very picky with her food. I'm not. You guys know I make good food. Leave it alone. She's trying to scoop into the mashed potatoes.
It's that good. But what do you expect? Looks like it's bubbling.
There we go.
It looks like it's bubbling on the...
You want a mountain of it, baby. You don't want just a little bit of food.
It's a big mountain.
I know. And then, oh, I forgot to get the spoon.
Really?
How was the roast you made last night, baby?
Good.
What I made last night.
Yes, good.
I made a, Come on, baby. You gotta record what I'm doing.
Sorry.
And she has got butter in there, so just put that on top.
Is there a crab in there?
Yep, that's crab, lobster, and shrimp and
I
scallops.
just want to eat the crab. Is there meat inside of the legs?
Yeah.
Oh, so I can eat that.
Yes, you can.
Can I have some right now? Please, Dada. I'm hungry. Thank you. Is this crab?
Yes. How was that?
Good.
Good job, baby. Okay. Where's the Parmesan cheese? Take some Parmesan. Are you recording, baby?
Yeah.
We'll just sprinkle it on top. We're going to put it on the grill. There we go. That's one. And it's ready to go on the grill.
Do you want me to follow you?
Huh?
Follow you.
Yeah, that's not, I'm not putting it on the grill right now. I'm putting them both on the grill at the same time. I'm just showing the people what we're doing, baby. You know what?
Oh, now which one's yours and mine?
They're the same thing.
I want that one.
Why?
Because I want less of that.
I
want less of that. It is good, but I just don't want too much seafood.
Are you recording what I'm doing?
Nope. Oops. I'm just.
This is what happens when you have an 8-year-old controlling the camera, y'all. Y'all be okay though.
I'm just staring at the shrimp.
Why?
Because it looks so good.
You gotta have it on. Oh, okay.
Well, actually.
You have one?
Yeah.
There's plenty.
It's way too hot.
I don't think I put this much seafood on the other one though. Okay. That is good. But all right, you guys, this is what the final product looks like. Make it look nice. Grab the Parmesan, sprinkle on top some Parm. See, just sprinkle it on there. And then we about to go take this and put it on the grill. So y'all, we'll meet you guys outside and be right back. All right, y'all. Sorry, I missed putting y'all on here, the first one. Second one is me helping Janiyah put it on here. Show my baby how to use a grill. We got a grill at our hotel, y'all feel me? We're gonna do this for maybe about 30 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on there. So of course we got a pool. What hotel doesn't?
A good view of a
We got the barbecue grill, propane grill. Go ask the lady if she can turn the fire pit on, baby. All right, y'all, we'll be back. I gotta go inside and I gotta get off the camera. Back outside, and my baby's this fire pit. Welcome to our hotel. Just something to chill, relax, and see how this food is coming along. The grill is up to 200 degrees. I'm gonna turn it a little higher. Oh, it smells delicious though, y'all. So we can caramelize that Parmesan. Oh, I didn't show y'all. I'm sorry. I didn't realize the camera wasn't looking. But look. There we go, y'all. This is what we do for my baby. You feel me? I like to give her new flavor experiences. It's not just about, eating the same thing all the time. I don't do that. I like to show her different experiences through food. I'm a fat boy. Truffle shuffle. But we'll be back when the food's done, y'all. And let's see the finished product. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. That's what we doing tonight, y'all. Hey, I'm gonna have to let y'all go because me and my baby, we hungry. And hey, trucker's life. And I'm gone.